Different alcoholic beverages contain varying amounts of alcohol. Beer, on average, contains about 5% alcohol, wine 12%, and whiskey 35%. When you swallow alcohol, it flows down your esophagus into your stomach, where a small percentage of it is broken down by the enzyme alcohol dehydrogenase, ADH, into a substance called acetaldehyde. Women have considerably less ADH in their stomachs. Some molecules of alcohol are absorbed into the blood by capillaries in the stomach wall, while the rest are passed out of the stomach down towards the small intestine, where the alcohol is absorbed into the blood at an extremely swift rate. Alcohol molecules enter blood vessels by penetrating the intestinal walls. The blood vessels then carry the alcohol around the body. The alcohol finds its way to the larger veins, which merge with the portal vein that connects the small intestine to the liver. The blood then reaches the liver, where the portal vein branches off into many smaller blood vessels. The hepatic artery works to deliver oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the liver. Some alcohol is immediately broken down in the liver, where the alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme converts alcohol into acetaldehyde, which often causes nausea, headaches, and vomiting. Drinking too much alcohol can cause excess fat to accumulate on the liver, which results in a variety of illnesses. The blood containing the alcohol is then pumped back around the body through the heart via the hepatic vein. As women generally weigh less than men and contain less bodily fluids, they are more easily affected by alcohol. Some of the blood containing alcohol is pumped to the brain, where it disperses itself around the brain via small blood vessels. The effects of alcohol can be felt after roughly 15 minutes. When alcohol molecules reach the brain, they can easily penetrate the blood vessels' walls, as they are so small. This is when they produce their psychoactive effects. Alcohol modifies the effects of signals between neurons. Alcohol stimulates the brain's hunger centre in the hypothalamus. It also influences the brain's reward system, generating pleasant feelings. By stimulating the serotonergic system, alcohol creates a feeling of attachment towards other people. Alcohol also slows down the brain centre known as the medulla oblongata, which controls breathing. The oxygen-depleted blood then flows from the brain back to the heart and then onto the lungs. The blood containing alcohol then flows into the kidneys, where it distributes the alcohol around the kidneys' blood vessels. The molecules and metabolites of alcohol arrive at the filter elements of the kidneys known as the nephrons, where they are eventually discharged from the body via the urinary tract. The blood is now partially purified of alcohol and its metabolites. It flows into the renal veins and back to the heart.